Hello world, welcome back to codingscientist.com. We are on lesson number 38 and this is a very beautiful lesson, beautiful project guys. We are going to build Rubik game. Rubik is a very complex game, the square box which you turn around in all the dimensions and all the six layers has to be on the same color. But how do you convert that physical box into a GUI application? It's a pretty complex program. This is not for the beginners, this is for pretty advanced guys, the people who are having in-depth knowledge on Python or Java or C++, right? So even for the beginners level guys, nothing is impossible. If you have the interest, if you have the thirst to learn, I will teach you how to build a Rubik game. It's just about 400 500 lines of code. It's not that complex. As far as you understand the logic, you can just keep building, keep writing the logic, and all we do is just import Tkinter and random. That's all. These are the two libraries which we'll be using, and I'll be happy to walk you through this program line by line, sentence by sentence, word by word, logic by logic. I will train you. Nothing is impossible. It's pretty easy. It'll take maybe about 3 or 4 days for you to understand and make you understand, and I can coach you. Do leave me a message. Do reach out to me on my WhatsApp. Do reach out to me on my email. I will schedule a one-on-one Zoom meeting with you and I will train you guys hands-on to build this game from the scratch, from the basic level, from the ground up. Now let's see a quick demo how this game works. Let me run this program. Right now on the terminal it says enter 0 to display 2D or enter 1 to display a 3D. Let's play a 3D game. I'm going to enter 1 and I'm going to see the app being populated here. This is what the game is guys. Now we can just use the three-dimensional game to form the cube, all the colors in all six dimensions. You have to click this arrow like this to turn upward, turn towards side, turn the bottom side, turn the top side, turn downward, and you can keep forming the color on both left and right, upward, down, downwards, and use the left one, downwards, left, bottom, middle, bottom right, and I can turn it again. I can turn this way, I can turn left side, turn right side. So guys, this is how it is. It's a pretty complex algorithm. It's a it takes almost about 3 4 days to squeeze your brain to make this work, but I can teach you this within a day's time. Do reach me out. I'll be very happy to guide you and coach you how this particular game works in Python using just two libraries. Now what we can also do is we can make it to the next level, more advanced, by adding the voice to text and color to text, in fact, as well, color to text and color to voice as well, vice versa. We can do that. That is using OpenCV into this game. So I have done that. I'm going to show that how to do it in the future lessons in the next upcoming video. Alright guys, see you soon. Goodbye.